deciding with confidence, understanding, make up one's mind. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or books. The phrase is, make up one's mind. This might sound a bit puzzling at first, but don't worry. We're going to explore what it means, how to use it, and give you some examples to help you understand it completely. So, let's get started and make up our minds to learn something new today. Make up one's mind is a phrase that means to decide on something. When someone is trying to make up their mind, they are in the process of making a decision or choosing between two or more options. This phrase is often used when the decision is somewhat significant or when the person has been uncertain about what to choose for some time. To help you better understand how to use make up one's mind, let's look at a few examples. 1. Making a personal decision. After looking at all the universities she got accepted into, Maria finally made up her mind and chose Harvard. 2. Everyday choices. I can't make up my mind about what to have for dinner. Should I go for pizza or pasta? 3. In a professional context, the team couldn't make up their minds on the design. They were torn between the modern and the classic layout. These examples show that the phrase can be used in a variety of contexts, from casual everyday decisions to more significant life choices. While make up one's mind is a straightforward phrase, the context can add layers of meaning. For instance, if someone says, he finally made up his mind after years of indecision, it suggests a significant, potentially life-changing decision. On the other hand, I can't make up my mind about what to wear implies a much lighter, less consequential choice. Understanding the context will help you grasp the weight of the decision being discussed and respond appropriately in conversations. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to make up one's mind. It's a useful phrase that you can start incorporating into your English conversations right away. Remember, making decisions is a part of life, and now you can talk about it in English with confidence. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to helping you learn more useful phrases and expressions in the future. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to make up your mind to learn something new every day.